Today I'm unboxing my new 4K Ultra HD Wi-Fi video camera. Now this is my fourth one, and I film a outdoor cooking show right here, every week, and I've filmed 200 videos on this particular camera. So I have 4 of these now. My downshot is also 4K. You're seeing the quality of the camera right now, and I've already filmed the unboxing of this camera, but this one is a little bit different, and it's got Wi-Fi. The reason why I'm filming this is because it's for the seller. The seller sent me this. I filmed over 200 videos, and I got use out of my camera, but I notified the seller and said that I had a problem. It was intermittent recording. So I did all kinds of testing on it, and I couldn't figure it out. She couldn't figure it out. And so they sent me a new one with Wi-Fi. And if you're a YouTuber, vlogger, this is the camera for you. The battery time is really good. So here we are. This looks identical to the other one, except this one is 56 megapixels. Great little camera. It's got a hot shoe. I'll show you the parts in a second. It's got a good English manual. It's got a lens hood, and it's got a lens cap. It's got 2 batteries. These batteries are great too. It's got a remote. Oh, this is a handle. So this will screw right into the standard 1/4-inch tripod thread, and you'll have a handle so you can carry it like that. That's neat. And it comes with the charging cable. And to charge, on the back here, there's a little door. Charging is right in the bottom. The middle one, the middle slot there, is for HDMI. You can plug that into your laptop or into your television to review. I suggest charging it up fully before you try it, but I'm just going to see if it goes out of the package. Battery in. And for SD cards, the little tabs face towards the open door. You can transfer files in various ways. This one has Wi-Fi, so I can hook up my phone, I can hook up my laptop, I can transfer files through Wi-Fi. But what I like to do is take the card out and put it into this little card reader, put that in my laptop. In my experience, the most I'm going to get is a 20-minute file. Then it'll start a new file, and then you just seam them together. Now, this comes with a little shotgun mic. So I suggest using the shotgun mic when you're filming indoors. If you're filming indoors, and then just screw this onto a tripod, and you can vlog, you can do FaceTime, you can do Zoom, whatever you like with that. What I do out here is I've got a transmitter. That's what this is right here. And on the top of the camera, there's a receiver up there. So I just sync the 2 of these up. It's just a nice little unit. It just fits in my pocket like that. And I can go anywhere I want, within, I'm going to say 100 feet. Okay, so I put the battery in. It's got zoom, takes photos. First thing you want to do is go in and adjust your quality of picture. This is, it's a 4K camera, so I suggest using 4K. So this is the camera that you're looking at me right now on, 4K. And it comes with 2.7. So you want to go in and set your time and then change your resolution. There, see? It's got a nice little touch screen on it. Works flawlessly. Yep, there's a really easy menu there. It's touch screen. You've got the menu. Oh, there's the menu, and there's a new Wi-Fi button there, which you didn't have before. If you want to do selfies, you can just flip this around, and you can go like that. And a simple record button on the back. I'm very impressed with this seller. The seller says that they'll get back to you within 12 hours. And when I had my little problem, I already filmed 200 videos. And they said, no, we'll send you a brand new one, a better one. So this video is for the seller, a fantastic seller, a fantastic product, and they stand behind it. One criticism that I have, though, is this has a fill-in light right here. And when that light's on and you have your hood on, it covers the light, it blocks it. So they haven't done anything about that yet, but I don't use that light anyways. I have softbox lights that come at the side if I'm filming in the dark. Super easy to use, fantastic quality. You can see the quality right now. That's what you're looking at. It's got an 18 times digital zoom. It's right on the top there. There's your photo button right there. There's your hot shoe. Wow, great job.